this walk 349, just going to Leven Beach. And obviously tide can't get much more in. Or if it is, it must be going out slightly. Judging by baskets. Bizarrely, it's the one thing that I didn't do. Normally, I'm pretty good at normally gauge the tides. I've never seen it this far in. The dog walker just up ahead. That guy up ahead. Yes, I'll do about I'll film this for about 7 minutes. It's definitely it's a bit on the cool side. It's not cold, but it's not warm, that's for sure. But then it's about 10 to 6 in the morning, so it's the best time to do barefooting. It's quieter. It's better when it's quiet. It's not even about people saying anything, it's just about I guess I'm more of a morning person anyway. It's just nice to get out first thing in the morning. Just nice to get the feel of the day. And okay, we're heading to the longest day soon. So, like I said yesterday, because I've moved recently, it's just quite nice to give yourself a wee bit of time, get your head together. How damp the sand is. Just nice to have some time off. It's prior to the move I was doing 55-hour weeks and breaking the working time directive quite significantly on a few occasions. However, it was worth it. Was it? Anyway, here we are, Leven Beach, barefooting. I've done this quite a few times, but it's the best. It's funny because I've done it quite a few times. But what was it, last year during the heatwave? I got here at a similar time, and the tide was out. The sky was blue, it was boiling, and it was hot even at that time. Even at about 7, 8 o'clock it was boiling. It was perfect. It was very un-Scottish and very tropical. Well, you just take it as it comes. It's funny, June's always that funny month up here. It's either a feast or July's normally a lot nicer. July, August are generally nicer. But I kind of like June just because I like the long days. Even though you're just as likely to get as wet as what you're sunburnt. The other day I actually got sunburnt sitting in my back garden. But here we are now. My plan is I'll put my sandals back on when we get to Lower Largo. I do plan on I'll do a couple of beaches in that area. I'm going to head to St Munnins. I've never been to St Munnins in about 10 years. In fact, well, it must be about 10 years. It must have been about, I think it was 6th of June 2013. It was the 6th of June 2013. A bunch of us were doing from here to Pittenweem. I could do that walk today. Pittenweem's only about a couple of miles from St Munnins. See how we get on, see how time goes. It's not so much getting there as getting back. But we'll see how time goes. That's about 14 miles, 14 or 15 miles. As it is, 12 and a half. It's the longest walk I've done in over a year. Stupidly, 10 years ago, I did the chain walk just outside Ely. Probably the most dangerous thing. Well, to this day, it's the most dangerous thing I've ever done. Since then, I got trapped by the water, and it is definitely the most dangerous thing I've ever done. Definitely the scariest thing I've ever done. No desire to do it again. In fact, no, we did from Lower Largo to Pittenweem, so we were about 13 or 14. I'm doing roughly the same length of hill length here. First time I did this walk, it was murder. Well, we'd done about 20 odd miles and then we had to go walking Burnt Island to Lower Largo. After you've done about 18, 19 miles, then you're hit by a beach walk. And the beach was, the tide was right in from what I remember, from the photos definitely. Oh, that was rough. But that was in what, summer 13. As it is, I've never been to St Monnans since never been to St Monnans in 10 years, so since this day 10 years ago. So yeah, we shall see. Then we'll log off here. Need to save some battery, save some film, save some space in this phone, and we will continue.